everybody, it's Lyn from Lynz Crafts Designs. I'm coming by today with a little unboxing. This one is from PandaHall Selected. They contacted me. They very kindly contacted me and offered to send me some products. I'm so overwhelmed I don't even know what to do. So, I'm just gonna get started. There were three sets. So these are three different sets. Sorry, I don't know which came in which. So first of all, gold and silver leaf, and I'm not even gonna open them because y'all all know what'll happen. But these are packed. So, along with the gold and silver leaf, this is a well, obviously it's bamboo tweezers, but it's static free and works really well with the gold leaf. This is a brush set. Very nice brush set. Works for your micas, your gold leaf, anything like that. Alright, then this is just a set of stir sticks. I got a smaller set with finger cots. And another set of tweezers. This one is a needlepoint angle tweezers, which are really nice. Okay, so the one set is these geometric shapes, which you could just go to the moon filling up with all kinds of wonderful dried plant material, stickers, you name it, it could go in there. Now, I'm gonna say this. I am not a fan of the dried flower. It's just a personal preference. I'm not a fan of it. But, not to say that there aren't some gorgeous pieces out there, because there are. Alright. So, geometric shapes. And then these are a water effect, a ripple effect. Okay. And then these two hearts. This one is a glossy finish puffy heart. And this one is a glossy finish faceted heart. And yes, somewhere I have some of those, but there is the blue faceted heart. Okay. Alright. Set number 2. This is a water splash bowl, dish, trinket dish. That's what I would call it, a trinket dish. Oh my lord. I know. So sparkly. And the ring dish plate, whatever you want to call it. So, really, really nice. I love this. And then, now this is the one the gold leaf came in. That's all I'm going to say. There may be a little silver leaf in this stuff. This one is just a simple round geode shape. I'm sorry, I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. This one is a more oblong, which is actually different from this one. Geode shape. This one has the hole in the center. Oblong geode shape. This one has the hole in the center, but it's the round geode shape. And then this one is the square with the hole in the center geode shape. So I'm actually really excited to try those, even though my first one was a fail. Okay, I won't say it was a fail, but still. It didn't turn out like I wanted. Let's just say that. I poured a few... Yeah. I poured a few of these little crystal nugget molds. I've had this for forever. I don't even know where it came from. These are these little crystal nuggety things. But I like them because they aren't regular shapes, so they have a lot of sparkle, and they could be ice cubes, they could be gemstones for a treasure. Okay. I got a little carried away with the holographic glitter. This one's a pretty easy one to peel. So nothing happened. A tiny little bit of dragon veining along the edge. This part actually might have flowed a little bit. I can see barely a little bit of whatever you call it, the feathering. Sorry, it was a complete fail. Well, as far as fails go. But look at how cute it can become with just a tiny little bit of added stuff. That actually looks really nice. Now, of course, the color would be kind of wrong, but kind of not. Okay, imagine if this was transparent, like just a little ice flow. That would really be cute. Okay, I'm sorry giving away all my little tips and ideas, but still really cute. Okay, this was PandaHall Selected sent these to me. I want to thank them very much. I'll leave the links below to everything. Bye for now.